Hello boys and girls, today it is the third episode of my Nextcord series where I'm going to show you how you can make your very own Discord bot using Nextcord, which is a maintained fork of Discord.py. Today I'm going to show you how to make an embed. Embeds are these small tables where you can neatly organize all of your information. So I'm going to do @client.command. And then I have to do async def, and then whatever you want your command name to be. I'm just going to call mine embed, and then do ctx. And then so first we need to create the embed, so we do embed is equal to nextcord dot embed, and then I do title is equal to, I'm just gonna keep it as test, and you can also do a description, and I'm gonna keep the description as test as well. It'll make sense when I show you the embed. And then we can do a timestamp, and that it'll show you when the message was created. So I'll do ctx.message .created _ at. Okay, and then we can add some fields, and we can do embed .add _ field name is equal to hello, and then the value is equal to bye. And then you can also do inline is equal to true. And we can also add a image, so we can do embed.set _ image, and then you have to have like a URL to an image, and I have mine over here. It's basically just my RP Bricks profile picture, and I'm just gonna place it there. And you can also do the same thing with the thumbnail. So if I do embed.set _ thumbnail, I do pretty much the exact same thing. Now you can also have footers, so embed.set _ footer. Then I can do text is equal to hello, and I can also have a icon _ URL, which I am once again going to keep as my RP Bricks profile picture. And then we have the embed created, but now we want to send it. So we send it using await ctx.send embed is equal to embed. So now you have to save the code, and then you have to run it. So open up your terminal, do cd, and then your directory. And then you run the code. So you do python 3.8 main.py bots online, and now run it. We do embed. It sent the information. So this was the title, this was the description, and this was the thumbnail, this was the field, this was the value, this was the image, and this was the icon URL, this was the text, and that was the timestamp. But as you can see, there's also color over here, but we can change that color pretty easily if we want. So what you can do is we can add another parameter. We can do color is equal to nextcord dot color dot, and then red think this should work. Okay, embed. Wait, the color didn't work. I think I might have to, oh yeah, color has to be capital. There you go, the C had to be capital. And now we have the thumbnail, the image, and then the color over there. And that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what tutorial I should make. And have a nice day.